We had the outdoor insulation done on that wall and a bit of the back of the house as well, where you see the rendering. We had the indoor insulation done, where we have the brick walls. We didn't want to spoil the bricks, so every room has been done on the inside walls. And then we had insulation put on the loft. I think it looks great. I think it's improved the look of the house outside, partly because I could choose the colouring of the rendering. The rendering is really professionally done. It's much neater. Inside, you don't see a lot of difference. There's obviously 7-10 centimetres on each wall. However, you don't feel the loss of space. The window sills have been done really professionally, skirting boards. Everything is just back to normal. Once we finish the painting, you will not be able to see that we have had it done.